In this video, I am going to show how to download and install Eclipse IDE on Windows 11. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for Eclipse IDE and browse this URL eclipseide.org. Now click on the download button. Select the Eclipse installer for Windows operating system. Click on this download link. Click on this download button. It may take a while for downloading Eclipse IDE. It may take a while for downloading Eclipse IDE. After successful download, go into the download folder and open Eclipse installer. Now select a package that you want to install. I am going to install Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Now select the Java version. I already have installed Java JDK 21 LTS, and then select the installation folder. This is the default installation folder. You can change this folder by browsing the folder where you want to install Eclipse IDE. I am going to install Eclipse IDE for my current user. Okay. Now check this box to create a start menu entry and also create desktop shortcut icon. Finally, click on this install button. Now accept the Eclipse Foundation Software User Agreement. Click on this accept now button. Then the installation will be begin. It may take a while for installing. That's it. Eclipse IDE for Java development installed successfully and create a desktop shortcut icon. You can launch this right now. Click on the launch button, or you can search it and then open, or directly open from the shortcut icon. Okay. Now select a directory as workspace. Eclipse IDE uses the workspace directory to store its preferences and development artifacts. The newly created all of the applications will be stored in this workspace. Now launch Eclipse IDE. If you want to set this workspace as a default workspace of Eclipse IDE, check this box. That's it. Now I am going to create a new Java project. Enter a project name. And then select the location where you want to store this project. If you don't want to store the project into your default workspace, uncheck this box and browse the location where you want to store this newly created Java project. I am going to use the default location. Then select JRE from this drop down list. Select or use a project specific JRE. select from this drop down list. Okay, or configure a GRE. Okay, now configure the project layout. You can use project folder as root for sources and class files, or you can create separate folders for sources and class files. I am going to select the second option. If you want to create module info.java file, check this box and enter the module name or uncheck this. Okay, now click on next. Now click on finish. Expand the project and click on the source folder and create a Java class. Enter the class name. I am going to name it book. Now select which method stubs would you like to create. Okay, if you want to add comments, check this box, then click on finish. Now write this simple code. Okay, now I am going to run this program that will print a message it works. If you want to increase the font size, click on window and then select preferences. Click on this and search for font. Select and then expand basic. Scroll down and select text font. Now click on edit. Now select the font size and also font style that you want to use. Then click on OK. Apply and close. Okay, now I am going to run this program. Click on this run button. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.